What's up YouTube, it's your boy Anirudh back at it again. As I promised, I'm going to launch a video soon on a mod. Not exactly a mod, this is more of a life hack or a tip. So without wasting more time, let's get started. You can probably tell by the title of this video what we are going to do today. So let's get started on what all do we need to get this thing done. Okay, let's start off by what all do we need for this job. Well, all you need is a steering cover of your choice, and in any case, if you have an aftermarket steering wheel like mine and which is removable, please do remove it because it's going to make your life a lot easier. And in addition to this, you need basic stitching skills. Well, that's pretty much it. So I'll start off by taking my steering wheel off. In my case, it's aftermarket steering wheel, so it's just held on by these 6 Allen screws. So I'll start off by taking these 6 off with the help of Allen key, and let's begin.
As the steering wheel is off now, it's a great time to clean it as well. I'll use a wet tissue to clean this. Look at all the dirt and grime that came off. Taking a look at these covers, I bought these from AliExpress for just 100 rupees each. So basically these come in 3 different colors, but I went and bought 2 of these. But I'll be using the black one for mine. So this kit comes with everything you will need. So the cover itself feels very nice and spongy. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with everything you will need. The needle and the thread. The thread even feels very nice. Now putting everything aside, I'll do a test fit. So as you can see, the circumference of the cover is a little bigger than the circumference of the steering, so I might have to chop it from the bottom. Otherwise, the width of the cover seems just perfect. Let's begin by putting the thread inside the needle. After passing the thread through the eye of the needle, you have to tie a knot. So I trimmed the excess part off. Make sure if you make a cut, don't forget to align it from the bottom center of the steering wheel and work your way across. Now get your earphones and your needle and start working. Okay, a quick tip. Use the existing holes to pass the thread or else you will damage the material. As you can see, it's 10:16 now. It literally took me 3 hours to complete this. Now let's throw the steering back on and get this thing done.
So finally guys, I completed it. Now I have to agree, the stitching is not the best, but yeah, it feels better than it felt before. The material it used to have, it was a fox suede material, but that got pretty beaten up over the time and it started stinking really bad. That's why I cleaned it and put a new cover, and it feels really good in the hand. It's very spongy and it feels quite grippy. Now I need to go and park this car. Feels really good. Matches with my car. Thumbs up.